In this video, I will show you how to use clickable icons for email or phone dialing using Elementor. Something like this that I've used on my website for a client. So basically, I have an envelope or email icon here, as well as a phone icon. And if I click on the phone on my mobile, it will actually ask me if I want to call that number. And also if I click on the envelope icon here, it will open, as you can see, Outlook or something where I can actually send an email directly to that person. So let's see how to do that. I have my blank Elementor page here, and to start with, I will type here icon list, and I will drag and drop it here. So you can see that we have some items here. I will use just 2 for the purposes of this video, and I don't actually need this text right here. So I will just click on these items and remove the text or leave this field blank. Now the next thing that I want to do is create those icons, make them go in a line. So actually I will just click inline here, and that will place them next to each other. You can go over to the style tab here, and then you can adjust the spacing, you can adjust the colors, you can adjust the sizing, and all you need to do with those elements. So I'll go back to the content tab, and let us first decide which icons we want to use. So if I click on my first item, go to icon library and type envelope. I will select my icon and click on insert, and the same I will do for the second item. So icon library, click on phone, select and insert. Now basically what we will be doing for each of these 2 icons is that we will be linking them, but not as a typical link. You see, if you click on the first icon, you have this link field here. I can specify a website that this will lead to, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to click on dynamic tags here. And then within actions, if you scroll down, you have something called contact URL. So I will select this one. Then I need to click once again on this contact URL here. And I can select the type. Now the type will be email because I want to send an email. I will specify my email here. So let's say that my email is this one. I can specify the subject that this message would have. So it's kind of like a default subject and a default message in the body of this email. So let's say the subject would be interested in your services, and the template message can be something like hello, let me know how we can connect. It can be anything, you can leave it blank. I'm just showing you what you can do with this feature. Once you are done, we can do the same thing for the phone. So let's go over to our phone icon, and in the link again we will use dynamic tags and go to actions and contact URL. Click once again on contact URL, and in the type we will select telephone, and there we can specify the number. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, feel free to like, comment or subscribe.